it is Saturday. I hope everyone's day is off to an amazing start. Thanks so much for stopping in today, guys. All right, so today, first off, let me extend my apologies for this echo that you hear right now. I am here in my bathroom, and I'm here in said bathroom, guys, because we will be doing hair today. And so with that, guys, I would like to thank Zoto's Professional for partnering with me on today's video. I am actually going to install my own sew-in. Yes, you heard it correct. I'm going to do my sew-in myself. So as we enter into 2019, just the first few days of 2019 here, guys, I have become somewhat hair nostalgic, if you will. Before getting into YouTube many years ago, I would say, well, I won't say always, but I wore sew-ins a lot. And so right now I am feeling kind of nostalgic, and I really want to go back and revisit that hairstyle. So as you guys know, I have as of late been wearing twists for, I want to say, the last 6 months or so. I've really enjoyed them, but right now, guys, I am actually ready to switch it up. So before I install the sew-in, and I'm going to bring you guys along for parts of it. I know you guys have seen countless sew-ins done here on YouTube or wherever, so I won't bore you all with that. So we're going to go ahead and take these twists out, and we'll get started with the sew-in. But I'm also going to color my hair. Yes, I'm gonna color it. You guys know that I am in my 40s, and I want to say around my late 30s, I started having what I like to call little hair interruptions, little rude, disrespectful hair interruptions, grays. Today, to color my stubborn, rude grays, I will be using Zoto's Professional Age Beautiful Anti-Aging Hair Color. All right, guys. This is an amazing hair color system. These steps are super simple, as you guys will see here shortly, and you will be able to pick this up at your local Sally Beauty, guys. This is a great system. However, you will only be able to purchase it at Sally Beauty. All right, so I have removed the twists, and it didn't take long at all to take those twists out. Those guys were actually crochet twists, so they were pretty simple to remove. But as you guys can see, my hair has really grown. Oh my gosh, like, has it been a year? About a year ago, I think it was, guys, I actually cut my hair all off. I went to a barber shop, and he actually just shaved my hair down almost to the scalp. So this is what I am working with right now. It is still a little bit thinner around the hairline. That's just something I've always dealt with. But I think since having it shaved all off, guys, it is really growing back in nicely. Now, what is also growing in are the grays. So we are going to get these taken care of, okay, with this color. I personally feel that as we get older, looking youthful, being healthy, staying fit, I think all of those components absolutely take us just a really long way. And so when I cover my grays, I absolutely feel that I'm healthy. I feel that I again take on a more youthful look when my grays are covered. And again, I know that this is a personal choice to color grays. I know that there are those of you out there who will feel that, you know, you look great with your grays uncovered. Again, a completely personal choice. What I love about the Age Beautiful Anti-Aging Hair Color is that it is the first hair color proven to fight all 5 signs of aging hair. Yes, our hair ages right along with us. The signs, 5 of the signs that our hair goes through are thinning, all right? As I stated before, my hair at the perimeter, it is thin. It has always really been thin around the perimeter, but as I am getting older, it is becoming increasingly thinner. All right, wiry grays, I have them here at the perimeter. That's where it's predominantly gray, but I do have some grays sprinkled throughout. Dryness has always been a problem with my hair, and then just that dull look. But so what I love about this particular hair color, guys, is that it really addresses all of those with some key ingredients. Silk protein, yes. There is such a thing as silk protein. And so what silk protein does, guys, it penetrates the hair strands, and it makes it elastic, okay? You're able to stretch the hair. You know, when we are flat ironing, blow drying, even braiding, or just daily grooming of our hair, guys, we can tend to pop those strands. So the silk protein, guys, gets in there and creates, I want to say, something like a protective barrier, and we are able to manipulate the hair a lot easier and not have to worry about breaking as much. And vitamin E, guys, is another element that you can look forward to experiencing when you use this particular hair color. And what can I say about vitamin E that we don't already know? Vitamin E is just the epitome of anti-aging, whether it be for our skin, whether we ingest it, you know, taking it by mouth, or in this case, it's in this hair color and we're placing it on our hair. It just helps with the overall moisture and, again, anti-aging elements of our hair. When you walk into your local Sally Beauty, you will absolutely feel like a professional when you both shop for this particular hair color and when you're using it, as it is, again, so simple, so simple to use. The color that I will be using today is 1N, N as in Nancy, and this is a jet black. I love jet black hair. To me, jet black looks really healthy for my complexion, but no worries, whatever shade you are looking for, it is actually provided for you in the Age Beautiful kind of catalog of colors, guys. They have so many different colors. And I will be using their 20 volume developer, okay? I'm gonna use these two together, okay? So simple steps, guys. I'm going to use this entire tube here, and this is 2 ounces, all right? And then I'm only going to use 2 ounces of the developer. There are 4 ounces here in this bottle, okay? 1 part this, which is 2 ounces, 1 part this. So you'll only use half of the bottle, all right? And you want to use, guys, as you know, a non-metal bowl, okay? And what I love also, guys, about this color is that you can put it into a bottle, or you can use it with a bowl and a brush. All right, so as you guys saw, that was just really super simple to mix up. Once again, the entire 2 ounces of the color, and then 2 ounces of the 20 volume developer. So I am going to go ahead and place this on my hair. What I like to do is start in the back and work my way forward. I should mention also that I put a little skin protectant around the perimeter of my hairline, on my forehead and on my ears, because I don't necessarily want to color my forehead and ears jet black. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. This is how the color looks, guys. I think it looks a lot healthier than it did earlier. There's just something I think about just jet black and just dark colors in general. I really think that they made my hair specifically look a lot healthier and also a lot thicker. The way it looked the before, and I'll also include the before, but before the hair, even though it was healthy, I don't believe that it looked rich and vibrant. I love a really rich, vibrant color to the hair, and here again, just coloring those grays, I really think helps to bring out the youthful nature of the hair. So I am really loving it, guys. Let me know what you think. What do you guys think about my fro? Do you guys think that my hair has grown out? You know, shrinkage is a beast, okay? I haven't even blown it out all the way. It is very, you know, tightly coiled and compact. But if I could take a flat iron to it, which I have no plans on doing it anytime soon, I'm sure it would have a nice bit of length to it, but I am loving it. And I know that the darker colors are not going to be something that every hue, every skin type and tone is going to appreciate. Like I said, I just love how the dark color kind of brings out my skin tone. But if you are not a fan of the dark, I will leave a link below in the description box for where you can go and check out more color inspirations for Age Beautiful anti-aging hair color at Sally Beauty. But I am loving this color on my hair. All right, let me know what you guys think. How are you guys feeling me rocking my natural? Would you guys prefer that I check out or kind of experiment a little bit more with my natural hair? Would you guys like for me to do maybe some twist out? I think here in 2019, I will actually alternate going between the sew-ins that, like I said, I really want to start wearing a little bit here more often, and my natural hair. But I should mention also, guys, that starting January 23rd, and it's gonna run until January 29th, in Sally Beauty, there is a buy one, get one promotion on all their hair colors. So if you are looking to, I don't know, become a new you in 2019 as it relates to your hair color and the look of your hair, head over to Sally Beauty. They're having a buy one, get one on all their hair color. All right, so now let me get to braiding this down. All right, I think it's blown out just enough for me to be able to get in there and braid it down, and we'll get to the sew-in, okay? To say that I am tired is a bit of an understatement. Again, this was my first time doing my own sew-in, so I didn't film it. If I had filmed it, I think I would still be working on it. But let me know down below in the comment section if you would like to see my little process, my procedure for installing this hair. If you are interested in this hair, also leave a comment, and I'll be sure to leave all of the details for you. Once again, a huge thank you goes out to Zoto's Professional for partnering with me on today's video, for helping me get my unruly grays in order. Okay, don't forget to check the description box for more color inspiration ideas from Zoto's Professional. Again, all of their information will be in the description box. Love that you were able to stop in for another video today. Really do appreciate it, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.